In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate System I/O with Paystack. This process may initially seem complicated, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as smooth as possible. Let's begin by making sure that Paystack is available in your country. It's crucial to confirm this before diving into the integration process. Once you've verified availability, go ahead and log into your Paystack account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before we proceed. You can easily sign up by visiting their website and following the provided instructions for account creation. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the payment section and proceed to sub-accounts. Here, you'll need to create a sub-account. This step is important as the sub-account will essentially act as a linked account inside your main Paystack account, helping manage transactions efficiently. Think of it as a way to have more control and organization over your financial operations. Moving on, head over to Settings and look for API keys and webhooks. Here, you'll find the secret access token. Ensure you copy this token carefully, as it's a pivotal element for connecting with System I/O. Make sure to store it somewhere safe to avoid any headaches later on. The next step involves logging into System I/O. Once you're in, navigate to your profile and proceed to Settings and Payment Gateways. This section is where you manage how your payments are collected. Click on Connect Paystack and then paste the secret token you copied from Paystack earlier. This action establishes the initial connection between the two platforms, setting the stage for a seamless integration. After this, you'll need to select the Paystack sub-account that you created earlier. This ensures that all transactions are directed to the correct account, streamlining your financial management. Don't forget to click Save to store your new settings. This step is crucial as it saves your preferences and ensures everything works smoothly. Now it's time for synchronization. System I/O will begin communicating with Paystack. Once the synchronization process is completed, you should see a webhook URL appear in System I/O. Make sure to copy this URL as it plays a crucial role in the next step. This URL is the tether that keeps the two systems aligned and in communication. Return to your Paystack account and under the API keys and webhooks section, paste the webhook URL you just copied. This action effectively links System I/O and Paystack, enabling them to exchange transaction information in real time. Real-time data exchange is vital for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring seamless transactions. Remember, before you conclude, double-check that you are in live mode, not test mode. This is important to ensure that all transactions processed are real and reflect actual sales. Switching to live mode finalizes the integration and ensures you're ready to roll. And that's it. You've successfully integrated System I/O with Paystack. With this complete setup, you're now equipped to manage your transactions efficiently, paving the way for seamless financial operations. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.